Hey superstars! Welcome to the Smart Kids Save Money mini course, where we learn how to be money smart, life smart, and future ready. This is episode 1. What is money? Let's dive in. First question. What exactly is money? Is it just paper? Coins? That beep sound your parents' phone makes when they buy snacks online? Money is anything people agree to use to pay for things. Long ago, people used cowries, salt, gold, even cows. Today, we mostly use paper money, coins, cards, and even digital money. But money isn't just something you spend. It's a tool to help us trade, save, and plan for the future. Let's break it down. You give money to get something you want or need, like buying a soccer ball. You can also give money to get something you want to eat, like buying a burger. Okay, quick quiz. Which of these is not a form of money?
The answer is B. Chocolate is yummy, but it melts in your pocket. Not a good form of money.
Smart kids don't just spend money, they spend, save, and share. And we'll show you how to do all three like a pro. Let's say you get 500 kids coin from helping out at home. Instead of spending all of it on sweets, you could spend 200 on a treat, save 200 in a jar or account, share 100 to help someone or a good cause. Saving helps you prepare for future goals, whether it's a cool toy, a school project, or a birthday gift for a friend. Let's meet Maya. Maya saved 100 kids coin every week for 10 weeks. Guess what? She bought her own drawing set. That's the power of smart saving. Let's wrap up what we've learned today. Money is a tool. Money comes in many forms. Small savings today equals big rewards tomorrow. Your mission this week is the 3 Jars Challenge. Ask your parents for a small amount of money. Divide it into 3 jars. Then take a picture of your jars and keep track for 7 days. Next time on Smart Kids Save Money, we'll learn the difference between needs and wants. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your awesome friends. Remember, you're not just a kid, you're a money-smart kid.